Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to connect the DApps with our Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. Now let us simply focus on the topic. On the nav bar right next to it, you will see a button like this that says Web3. Simply hover over it and these things will open up. From here, as you can see, here is Bitget Wallet, and at the bottom, the thing we are looking for, the DApp. Click on it, and guys, this is it. This is the DApp store. From here, you can simply look at the DApp Rex, airdrop, DeFi, NFTs and everything. Well, it is up to you, but right now all we want to do is focus on the DApp. Let's say we want to select a chain right here. I'm gonna select one at random. Let's say I select this one. Well, once you do that, at the top right, you can see the button that says Connect Wallet. Click on it. And from here, what you guys need to do is simply select the wallet of your choice. Currently, we want to connect the Bitget wallet, so I'm going to click on Bitget right now. And that is it. Do you note that I have already installed the Bitget Wallet Chrome extension? You guys can do that as well. And I have locked my password, so I'm going to enter it right now. Once you've done that, simply hit on Unlock. And that is it. It's gonna ask for your confirmation, and that is it. Once you've done that, as you can see, our wallet has been connected. That is it, guys. You can do the same for all of these different network chains. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we connect DApps to your Bitget wallet. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.